Here's a quick video of the Cedar Strip Dory boat. You can see here that the transom needs some work. There's some rot, and the fiber mesh over the top has peeled back. Same kind of on the other end. That in of itself shouldn't be a tremendous amount of work. Nice sanding. The back part of the keel could use a good sanding and a reseal. You can see the mid part of the keel has been removed. It was in very bad shape, but replacing that should be fairly straightforward. You'll notice the gunnel strips are gone. I took those off. Those were largely rotted, but I have the profile for you to mill a replacement. I don't know if you'll be able to see when I put the camera underneath. The seats have come loose, but inside the finish is really nice. And there's a lot of potential with this boat.